Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to sign out from Google Classroom. So I'm going to be explaining how to do this on the app and also explaining how to do it on your computer as well. So first of all, if you're on your phone, you're going to want to go to the top right hand corner, but if you're on the computer, you want to look for these like three little lines at the top left. However you get to there, the three little lines, and then you should be able to see like a button where it says manage your accounts or something similar to that. You're going to want to click on that if you're on the computer. But if you're on your phone, the mobile app, so you want to click on the top right where your profile picture is, and then it's going to be at the bottom there. It's to manage accounts on this device. You're going to click on that. It's similar on the computer as well. And then you're going to want to click remove from this device on the account you want to remove. And I'll say remove like X, like Gmail account or whatever. And then you want to click remove. It's going to remove the account. And then it will say at the bottom there, it has been removed from this device or similar on the computer as well. So that's how you do it. You can log back in if you want to as well from here. So leave a like on the video if you're going to go and do this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on Google Classroom and other videos similar. That's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.